Are beard growth supplements the easy button for better beard growth? Let's find out. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Spencer, and I'm one of the co-founders here at Live Bearded. And yes, today we're talking about beard growth supplements. Do they really work, and are they safe? Let's break it down. Now, growing a beard is a journey, and like any journey, comes with its own sets of challenges. For a lot of us, it's slow growth, patchy spots, or we just wish it was fuller. But fortunately for us all, there are some known supplements that have been proven to help you grow a better beard. First up, vitamin C. Now this vitamin is crucial for collagen production, which helps strengthen your hair. Plus, it's a powerful antioxidant, protecting your beard from damage. Research shows that antioxidants like vitamin C can actually enhance hair density and reduce hair loss. All right, next up, let's talk about vitamin E. Now, vitamin E is known for improving blood circulation and supporting skin health, which can have a huge impact on hair growth. And studies have shown that vitamin E can significantly improve hair growth in individuals. Vitamin B6 is another essential player. It helps with protein metabolism and the creation of red blood cells, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. Biotin, which is arguably the most commonly known beard growth supplement, will boost your beard growth, and there have been tons of studies suggesting it can greatly improve hair growth in both speed and density. Calcium supports hair growth by ensuring your follicles get the nutrients they need and aiding in cell regeneration. And zinc is vital for hair tissue growth and repair and helps maintain the oil glands around your follicles. Research actually shows it can boost hair growth as well. Another powerful supplement is silica, as it boosts hair elasticity and strength, enhancing collagen production for overall hair health. Studies suggest it can actually thicken hair and reduce breakage. And finally, collagen. Now, collagen provides amino acids necessary for building hair proteins and strengthening the skin around your hair roots. Research actually shows collagen supplements can improve hair thickness and skin elasticity. So are beard growth supplements worth it? The answer is yes, the right ones are. Everything I mentioned before will help you grow a better beard. But as with every supplement, dosage matters. And too much of a good thing, well, could be a bad thing. So if you're looking to take these supplements individually, do your research and find the healthy amounts needed or consult your doctor. If you'd rather hit the easy button for better beard growth, we've done all the research for you. We spent years working with top chemists to create the ultimate beard growth supplement, Beard Boost. Beard Boost is packed with the best ingredients we talked about in just the right amounts. It's backed by science and has thousands of 5-star reviews from guys who have transformed their beards. If you're ready to take your beard to the next level, give Beard Boost a try. It's not about achieving a perfect beard, but helping yours be the best it can be. If you have any questions about Beard Boost, beard growth, beard products, literally anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us anytime. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support truly means the world to us. And as always, live bearded. Easy. Easy. Oh, it's so easy.